Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. First thing, you want to launch the TikTok app, then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon, then you want to go up to the three straight lines on the top right corner. You want to click on them and then you want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. All you gotta do is to go back and click on the privacy. The privacy will simply provide you with the older version, which essentially gives you to make your account private. As you can see over here, when you actually toggle in, you will have the capability, of course, to have your account private. You only will share information, data, credentials with people that are currently following you. This means that new people will not be able to see your content, will not be able to see you or find your content, either your account. Also, you can also limit the activity status. When you have your activity status on, you and your followers will be able to find each other to see your activity and essentially to find the content that your followers publish, or they will be able to see your content. This is very, very helpful. In this way, you will be able to differentiate who is watching what from the people who are following you. Because I personally have tons of bots following me on a daily basis. And if I simply want to limit what the bots are seeing, because they can simply download my content and create fake accounts, which you can Google, right? You can see I have maybe 100 different accounts that are fake with the same videos I have. So this is how you can actually stop this. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.